Okay. Good afternoon to one and all. So, in the previous lecture of advanced technical training, we have already discussed about the transient analysis, then transient behavior. Again, we have discussed some of the network solving method like mesh analysis, node analysis, as well as we have discussed some theorem to reduce the network and find out the any branch current or it may be voltage. Okay. So, in the previous lecture, we have discussed about the transient behavior and their switching condition, how to solve the gate examination problem, which are based on transient behavior or transient analysis. So in the previous lecture, we have solved some problem. Now today, we will start the next point of this gate syllabus is that the two-port network. That means electrical circuit which are based on two-port network. So in a two-port network, as yesterday I have told that two-port network, why it is called as two-port. One of the network having there are 4 terminal and 2 terminal makes one pair. Okay, 2 terminals it will makes one pair or pair of terminal. It is called as a one port. So in that the pair of port it is called as one port. So if it is a primary pair of primary terminal pair, or it may be it is a input terminal pair, so it is called as input port. If it is output terminal pair, then it is called as output port. Okay, so see in that two-port network, two-port network, it is an electrical network. It is one type of electrical network with the 2 pairs of terminal to connect the external circuit. Okay, that means these two electrical network having an 2 pairs of terminal to connect the external circuit. So if external circuit is input circuit, then it is called as input port. If the external circuit it is an output side circuit, then it is called as output port. Okay, now the example of network analyzed as a two-port are filter, then matching network, transmission lines, transformer, and small signal model for transistor. Small signal model for transistor. Then a two-port network has a 2 pair of terminal. One pair at the input, it is known as input port, and one pair at output, it is known as output port. So it will be shown in this figure. See here. So this figure, it will be represented as the port. So it will be represented as the port. See here, this input port or 2 pair of terminals. Suppose here A terminal, here it is B terminal, here it is C terminal, and here it is D terminal. So this pair of terminal, that means terminal A and terminal B. This pair of terminal, it is at the input side, so it is called as input. And one pair, it is at the output side, so it is known as output port. So C and D terminal, it will make an output pair. Okay, so it is called as output port. Now in that network, or it may be two-port network, there are 4 variables which are associated with that of two port. Okay, there are 4 variables which are associated with that of port. 4 variables which are associated. 4 variable, that is V1, V2, I1, I2. That means see here, V1 is nothing but input voltage, V2 is nothing but output voltage, then I1 is nothing but input current, I2 is nothing but output current. So that means there are 4 variable is nothing but input voltage, input current, output voltage, output current. So these are the 4 variable which are associated with the top two-port network. Okay, these 4 variable which are associated with that of two-port network. त्या 2-port network ला हे 4 variable असतील, only 4 variable. Now depending upon this variable, which variable, so in that 2 variable are dependent variable and 2 variable are independent variable. त्याच्यामधले 2 variable हे dependent असतील and 2 variables are independent. So depending upon which variable are independent and which are the dependent, there are some of the possible connection of parameter. Okay, so this parameter, it can be divided depending upon which variable it can be expressed in terms of which variable. Suppose voltage, input voltage and output voltage, it can be expressed in terms of input current or output current, or input current and output current, it is expressed in terms of other two variable. Okay, that is input voltage and output voltage. So depending upon this variable expressing in terms of which variable, there are some of the parameter associated with that. Okay, some of the parameter, it will be associated with that of, it will be depends upon variable. Okay, see, two of these variable, it can be expressed in terms of other two variable. याच्यामध्ये दोन variable, it can be expressed in terms of other two variable. So thus there will be two dependent variable and two independent variable. Okay, so त्याच्यामध्ये दोन डिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल असतील and दोन independent variable असतील. So suppose you people already know what is meant by dependent variable and what is meant by independent variable. So the value of variable which is depends upon other value or other variable, so these types of variable, it is called as dependent. And the value of one variable, it cannot be depends upon value of other variable, then it is called as independent variable. Suppose, as I have already told that, already we have discussed, suppose I have taken one equation, that is y of x, it is equals to 1. Okay, y of x, it is equals to 1. So in that the dependent variable, it is nothing but y of x, or dependent variable, it is nothing but y, because it will be depends upon value of x, and x is the independent variable. So value of x, it will be not depends upon y. So it is called as dependent variable and independent variable. Now the number of possible combination generated by 4 variable, it is 6. So due to this associated from this associated variable like voltage, input voltage, output voltage, input current and output current. So from that associated variable, there are 6 possible combination of parameter. Okay, there are 6 possible combination of parameter. In that, open circuit impedance parameter, so it is we can call it as a Z parameter. Then short circuit admittance parameter, here it is impedance is nothing but Z, so we can call it as also Z parameter. Then short circuit admittance parameter, so short circuit admittance parameter, here it is admittance, so it is nothing but it is called as Y parameter. Then transmission parameter, so transmission parameter, it is called as ABCD parameter. Okay, A, B, C and D, ABCD parameter. So this parameter, it is generally used for transmission line. Then inverse transmission parameter, inverse transmission parameter is nothing but inverse of this transmission parameter, that is A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. It is represented by dash, A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash is nothing but inverse of transmission parameter. Then hybrid parameter, it is represented as a H parameter. Okay, or it is called as H parameter. And then inverse hybrid parameter, it is nothing but H dash parameter. So these are the 6 possible combination from these 4 variable. म्हणजे हे 4 जे व्हेरिएबल आहेत, व्होल्टेज, इनपुट व्होल्टेज, आउटपुट व्होल्टेज, इनपुट करंट आणि आउटपुट करंट, या व्हेरिएबल वरून आपल्याला 6 पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन जनरेट करता येत आहेत. So this possible 6 possible combination is nothing but 6 type of parameter. One is called as Z parameter. Second one is called as admittance parameter or Y parameter. Then third one is nothing but transmission parameter, or it is called as ABCD parameter. Then fourth one is nothing but inverse of transmission parameter. It can be represented by A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. Then hybrid parameter, it is nothing but H parameter. And inverse of that hybrid parameter, it is nothing but inverse inverse of hybrid parameter, it is called as H dash parameter. Okay, it is called as H dash parameter. Now we will see in that some of the parameter and some of the problem which are asked in the previous examination of GATE. Now see why it is called a Z parameter, or how it can be expressed. I will tell you that is Z parameter. It is nothing but Z parameter. It is nothing but the input voltage that is V1 and output voltage that is V2. It is a function of input current I1 and output current I2. Okay, input voltage V1 and output voltage V2. It is a function of input current I1 and output current I2. That means voltages of network, that is input voltage and output voltage of the network, it can be expressed in terms of input current and output current. Okay, so this is the relation or this parameter. See here, in that this V1 and V2 are the dependent parameter, and this current I1 and I2, it is nothing but independent parameter. Okay, so that means the value of voltage V1 and voltage V2, it will be depends upon the current I1 and I2, but current I1 and I2 does not depends on it. Again, why it is called as open circuit parameter? So this parameter, it can be obtained by open circuiting any one of the port. Okay, so open circuiting any one of the port, we will get two parameter, and again open circuiting the output port, we will get the two parameter. Output port आपण ज्यावेळेस ओपन करू त्यावेळेस एक दोन पॅरामीटर मिळतील, आणि if we open circuit input port, then we will get the two parameter. Okay, so this is nothing but Z parameter. Now next one is nothing but Y parameter, that is, it is also called as short circuit parameter, or it is called as short circuit admittance parameter. It is nothing but Y parameter. Okay, short circuit admittance parameter, or it is called as Y parameter. Okay, now see admittance parameter or Y parameter. Again this parameter, here the current I1 and current I2, current I1 and current I2, it is expressed in terms of, or it is a function of voltage V1 and V2. Okay, it is a function of voltage V1 and V2. So the current I1 and I2, it is a function of voltage V1 and V2. Again here current I1 and I2, it is the dependent variable, and the V1 and V2, it is the independent variable. Okay, now the current, input current and output current, it is expressed in terms of input voltage and output voltage. So this parameter we will get by this expressing this parameter. It is called as admittance parameter, or the Y parameter. Again it is called as short circuit parameter. That means why it is called as short circuit parameter? This parameter we will get, or the value of this parameter we will get by short circuiting any one of the port. Okay, म्हणजे एक पोर्ट शॉर्ट सर्किट केल्यानंतर दोन पॅरामीटर मिळतील, नेक्स्ट पोर्ट शॉर्ट केले की दोन पॅरामीटर मिळतील. सपोज आय हॅव शॉर्ट सर्किटेड द आउटपुट पोर्ट, then we will get the two parameter, and if I have short circuited the input port, then I will get the four parameter. So this parameter, it can be represented by y11, y12, y21 and y22. So these are the standard equation of Y parameter. हे दोन जे आहेत, it is the standard equation. This theory we have already discussed in our network analysis subject. Already we have done the discussion regarding that. So this is the standard formula, or it may be standard equation of y parameter. Y parameter is standard equation. Then next one, it is nothing but ABCD parameter. So in case of ABCD parameter, the input voltage and the input current, that is V1 and current I1, V1 and current I1, it is a function of V2 and minus I2. V2 minus I2, not a V2 minus I2. Here it is V2 comma minus I2. That means these two variable, that is voltage V1 and the current I1, these two variable, it is the dependent variable, and the V2 and I2, it is the independent variable. So we are expressing the input current, we are expressing the input voltage and input current in terms of output voltage and output current. Okay, so according to this, we will get the two standard equation, that is V1, it is equals to AV2 minus BI2. Okay, and then current I1, it is equals to CV2 minus DI2. CV2 minus DI2. So this is the standard equation of ABCD parameter. Okay, ABCD parameter is standard equation. Okay, this is the standard equation of ABCD parameter. Now, next one parameter is that the hybrid parameter. Next one parameter, it is nothing but hybrid parameter. Again, here also same, that is the input voltage of the network and the output current of the network. Input voltage and output current, it is expressed in terms of, or it is the function of I1. It is the function of I1 and V2. Okay, I1 and V2. So V1, I2, it is a function of I1 and V2. In that, the V1, I2, it is the dependent variable, and I1, V2, it is the independent variable. So input voltage and output current of the network, it can be expressed in terms of input current and output voltage. Then the parameter, it can be get, this parameter, it is called as hybrid parameter or H parameter. These two are the standard equation of the hybrid parameter. It is V1, it is equals to H11 into I1 plus H12 into H12 into V2. And the second equation is that I2, it is equals to H21 into I1 plus H22 into V2. Okay, so these are the four parameter we are discussing. Regarding four parameter, we are not discussing regarding the inverse parameter. Okay, we are not discussing on the inverse parameter. We are discussing only on the higher these four parameter. Okay, now see, we will see the problem related to that. I think you all are understand this standard equation and some theory related to that of two-port network, because this theory we have already discussed in the network analysis subject. Okay, 6th unit of network analysis subject. Now, all of you write this problem. Okay, we will solve this problem. All of you write this problem. Up to that, I will take attendance. Or hello, all of you written this? Hello, or Jalaka, please give me reply. Hello, please give me reply. Or anyone? You all are present, no? Please give me reply. Okay. See, for the given two-port network, so this is the gate question, whichever asked in the previous examination of gate. That is gate examination question is for the given two-port network. For the given two-port network, the value of transfer impedance Z21 it is in ohm. Okay, Z21 ची value calculate करायची आहे. So we want to calculate the value of Z21 by this given network. Z21 ची value calculate करायची. If you know the formula, you can calculate the value directly. Otherwise, you will proceed or you will use our previous procedure. Okay, that means the standard equation for that, here it is V1 and here it is V2. So tell me standard equation of Z parameter. मला Z parameter च्या value calculate करायचे आहे. So tell me standard equation of Z parameter. As I have already told that the standard equation of Z parameter. सांगा. Z parameter चे standard equation.
V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2.
Okay, V1 is equals to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. Second equation.
V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2.
Okay, right. So V1 is equals to Z11 into I1 plus Z12 into I2. That is Z12 into I2. Then second equation, that is V2. It is equals to Z21. V2 it is equals to Z21 into I1 plus Z22 into I2. Okay. So आपल्याला सोल्युशन फाइंड करताना ये स्टँडर्ड इक्वेशन या स्टँडर्ड इक्वेशनशी आलेलं सोल्युशन कम्पेअर करायचं. आफ्टर comparing that, you will get the value of Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22. Okay, and Z21, Z22, Z11 and Z12. So these four parameters matrix मिळेल. If we compare this value with standard equation of Z parameter. Z parameter स्टँडर्ड इक्वेशनशी आपण केलेले कॅल्क्युलेशन किंवा आपण इक्वेशन फॉर्म करणार ते इक्वेशन कंपेअर केले की आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू मिळेल Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z2. Okay, now see, in that, for solving this, just apply KVL to that of first one loop. Then current flowing from this is nothing but I1. Again, current flowing from this is nothing but I1. Current flowing from this is nothing but I2. And then Current flowing from this is nothing but I3. We have represented the three current. Apply KVL to the mesh first. पहले mesh ला KVL apply करा. So according to this, we will get the solution, that is V1. It is equals to P1. It is equals to 4. V1. It is equals to 4 in bracket I1 minus I3. Okay. 4 in bracket I1 minus of I3. Then we have separated, that is V1. It is equals to V1. It is equals to 4 I1 minus 4 I3. 4 I1 minus 4 I3. So this is the equation 1. This is, sorry, I think we have left this term, that is plus 2 I1 minus, sorry, plus I2. 2 I1 plus I2. Okay. Just simplify this. That is, after simplification, it will get 4 I1 minus 4 I3 plus 2 I1 plus 2 I1 plus 2 I2 plus 2 I2 plus 2 I1 plus 2 I2. Now again simplify this. We will get the solution, that is V1. It is equals to 4 plus 2 is nothing but 6 I1 plus 2 I2 plus 2 I2, 6 I1 plus 2 I2